In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export and print the Gantt in Monday.com for 2025 step by step. We'll be taking a closer look at how you can efficiently represent your project timelines and tasks using the Gantt view in Monday.com, and then move on to exporting and printing your chart in various formats. So let's get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your Monday.com account. Once you're in, head over to the board that contains all your project data. At the top of this board, you'll notice an option that reads plus add view. Click on it, and from the selection of views offered, choose Gantt. This will transform your data into a Gantt chart, complete with task timelines and dependencies. Before you proceed with exporting, it's crucial to customize the Gantt chart for clarity and to ensure it's easily understandable once printed or shared. You have several customization options at your disposal. You can adjust the zoom level for a more granular view, either by days, weeks, or months. You might also want to collapse or expand task groups to focus on particular sections. Highlighting milestones or key tasks can provide better emphasis. Filters are available to allow you to display only certain projects, task owners, or statuses. And finally, you can adjust the color scheme based on status or group to make distinction easier. A tip here would be to keep only the necessary information visible to make sure your exported version is neat and straightforward. With your Gantt chart ready, look towards the upper right corner in the Gantt view for the three-dot menu, often referred to as the More Options icon. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Export to PDF or Print. Choosing to export to PDF will prompt Monday.com to generate a PDF version of your Gantt chart. You'll have options to customize the export, such as choosing between page sizes like A4, A3, or letter, and orientations like landscape or portrait, though landscape is usually recommended. You can also select a date range to include in your export. Once set, go ahead and click Export. The PDF will then download automatically to your computer, giving you a clean, shareable timeline that can be emailed or printed. If your preference leans towards printing directly, selecting Print will trigger a print preview window. From here, you can choose your printer settings or opt to save as PDF for a digital version. Select your paper size and ensure landscape orientation for best results.